Right. Hello, everyone. And today we're going to be doing this limit question. Um, so, to start off, uh, it looks quite nasty. And what we're going to do, looking at it, we can see that we've got a power of a third here minus another power of a third here. So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to treat it like a difference of two squares. So, except this time it's going to be a difference of cubes. So I'm going to say let A equal X. Help if I can write. Let's get a rubber. X plus 1 to the power third and B equal X minus 1 to the power third. Then we have our limit can be written the limit as x tends to infinity, x to the power 2/3 a minus b. Now, the reason why this is a problem as it stands is as x tends to infinity, this term will tend to infinity, this term will tend to infinity, and this term will tend to infinity. So we've got an infinity times an infinity minus an infinity, which is a problem. So we are going to try and rectify that. Now, a minus b can be turned into a cubed minus b cubed to get rid of the cube roots signs. A minus b can be turned into a cubed minus b cubed if you multiply it by a squared plus ab plus b squared. And so what we're going to do is we're going to multiply this limit by a squared plus ab plus b squared over a squared plus ab plus b squared. So we're multiplying by 1 in essence. And that is going to be equal to the limit as x tends to infinity. Remember, you can't equal infinity because infinity is just a concept. And that's x to the 2/3 a cubed minus b cubed over a squared plus ab plus b squared. Right. Okay, now I'm going to turn this back into x's and everything, but we've sorted out one of our issues. So that's limit as x tends to infinity of x to the 2/3 times a was x plus 1 to the power third. So x plus 1 to the power third to the cubed is just x plus 1. Minus b, which was x minus 1 to the power third cubed, which is therefore x minus 1. X minus 1. And, well, that's that on the top. So that's going to cancel nicely to give us just 2 in here. So because the x's cancel and you 1 minus minus 1 is 2. Over x plus 1 to the power 2/3. This is where it gets a little bit nitty gritty. And then we can have, because they're under the same sort of root, x squared minus 1, which is just difference of two squares, to the power a third, plus x minus 1 to the power of 2/3. I'm going to change that to 2/3. Okay, so what we have to do next is, if we left it as it is, we've still got infinity here over infinity in this section. So what we need to do is get rid of that. So what we're going to do is divide on every term on the top and the bottom, or rather we're going to divide on the top and we're going to divide on the bottom by x to the power 2/3. So this will give us the limit as x tends to infinite of, we just have 2 on the top, and we're going to have on the bottom 1 plus 1 over x to the power of 2/3 plus that's going to be 1 minus 1 over x squared to the power of 1/3. So because we've divided by x to the power of 2/3, we're dividing by x squared in this bracket. Plus, it's going to be 1 minus 1 over x to the power of 2/3. Now if we apply our limit of x tending to infinity, all these denominator terms, so here, here, and here, are all going to tend to 0, because as x tends to infinite, 1 over a power of x will tend to 0. So therefore, that's going to leave us with 2 over 1 plus 1 plus 1, which we can just write as 2/3. 2 over 3. Done. And thank you very much for watching this video. I'm sorry I haven't uploaded in, well, the last 6 months, but I will try and upload more videos more frequently from now on. Yeah. All right. Thank you very much for watching this video, and see you all next time.